Ka District Social Welfare Officer West Jante Hills bat ka Jowai City YMCA haka arpun trik jeliu kilayas no ketilang ban Rakhe ya ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking halor kapang the evidence is clear invest in prevention. Ka jing temu jong ka ne ka jing Rakhe ka long ban persuthu iki pajba halor ki jing ma jong drug bat ban persuthu pajba ru halor ka jing pang bakta ya ka bor perkhat perdan bat ban kiar na ka bedkhat jubor ya ka jing im ya ka jing yalang la penlong ha district library auditorium mentong ha ka jing don lang u deputy commissioner ba BS Solia IAS bat ba o lamin MDC u ba L Suchen skill development officer ba S Thaba regional secretary YMCA Reverend R Khongla temen besan John R Shulai na lor kiwe ka district social welfare officer ka kong R Pasa kala pentip bahapo uni ubnai kila penlong ya ki babun ki program aji kai ha keleng ki snong ki thau shaphang udrox nalor kata ka pentip ru baka DSWO kala penlong ru ya gaji kop drodor na kebenta ki khna school batla samru iki sernot shabaro ki long job ya kenam beningkong bat baar layo dakadur ka pasa bat kentulang IO Satena Senrai Higher Secondary School bat balai layo daka Eldora Rembai naka Jaintia Secondary School Jowai la yo ru ka jing pensai pajba halor ban yada bat kiar naka badekhat jubor ya ka jing im bat ka jing pang ha ka bor perkhat perdan bala batai da kiriu syampang ba kentup ya uke syaf la ba counselor cum center in charge ODIC Kripa Foundation Shillong Dr. Dida Khongla MD Psych Psychiatrist Sun Care Shillong bat u ebor wan mi o majau kiwe de ki baladon lang ha kani ka sngi kilong uba L Suchen skill development officer ba S Thaba regional secretary YMCA Reverend R Khongla bat temen besan John R Shulai.
From my side, I would like to emphasize that drugs has no barrier. It doesn't care whether you're rich, you're poor, you're old, you're young, you're a student, you're not a student, you're employed, you're not employed. It doesn't matter, it doesn't care. And I came to know also that Ma just now, given the testimony, Ma Bante, it was a beautiful testimony, again, from the heart, not to conceal. Begitu para kilong bala syen, bala ya lembah, bala sutu, bala don hok, bala la ha ban ini ban tempat. So thank you Ma from your side, or from my side to you also. But he is also self-employed. Now he is earning his own living. That shows life goes on. It is not because after drugs what to do. There's always things to do. But from what I gather, he is not employed by the government, but he is self-employed. The resilience after overcoming addiction, nobody can overcome addiction. He's recovering. The term that we use is always recovering. For example, now we won't call him recovered. We're calling him recovering. It's always like that, recovering. And yes, but that didn't stop him from venturing to the areas where how to earn a living and be self-employed. Affliction, pang. Katlo ki suffer, but katlo ki bahagia, basam ki medan, saudong ki basumar, mungkin ki kiru ki suffer. But new judi, drugs, chemical drugs, or added to belahong ba alcohol also. Drugs they ulong ba very addictive. Nila batong hani lapor. I will just try once. Ang sisiyang ang pyrshah. Nakadaw, let's say nakadaw with subsi, let's say nakadaw jom kabay nilang depressed, nilang tense, nilang tension. Ang pyrshah ang sisiyang ang lesyo, ang supet ka yung gumno. Let me just try and find out how it feels. Will I get a relief or will I feel good about myself? And it is from that moment it starts.
Mandagasni ya kawa ka district yung lengban yung ka social welfare yung APE kini ka podium ko amlang churup wa ka international ko manhag perthai baro ko ila ka district yung chimbantan ha ko ka phang ko pun snyang ko plami yesi iroi iwami no drops ha kini bisni ka ni Hanga chimo kini ki bentang ngam jo ap kanang kam ki chimo to ini kejut ngam chimo kini ki bentang kini to kejut ko wan nan chom untuk dukat ika district yang i untuk dukat ika yihan ika state yang i rayu ba kini to kejut ko man crucial ba ko wan jia ha pertai ngoro ko bi ha perdi yang kini ingo yo blai wadang em ki NGOs kam ka ki sen kam ka YMCA ki V1 ki MGOs la yo ye am lang picture hai ni ko chim ya ka responsibility ka chingkit kle wa chongnya ki klam da kalam ya ka ni ka mat ko am haperdi yong I wa udrox man utan substan o pensi ya ka menta yo ka chingim yong I kam pro
that we align, we adopt that vision 2020 is for you, is for each and every individual, is for the community as a whole, is for the entire world, is to empower young people and also the community. So that is Vision 2030 and it aligns with the 4 pillars that has been underlined by the World Asians of YMCA Pacific, and that 4 pillar is the meaningful work, which is very, very important to ponder upon it, then the community and well-being, sustainable planet, and just world. The first point, why meaningful world? Why meaningful work? Pardon me. Sometimes we just want to do programs, we just want to do activities for the sake of doing it. That will not work. Actually, we have to be very particular in what we do, and we need to be committed and have that kind of inspirations within us that we do something for the better, for the development, and to enhance individual growth and community development as well. So therefore, we talk about meaningful work.